Latest on Omicron variant, and one of the first people to test positive for this new variant of coronavirus Omicron in the country was from Bengaluru. The patient was identified as a doctor and was due to be discharged on Monday evening, but will now continue to remain in hospital after his RT-PCR test confirmed positive for COVID again. My colleague Shrija reports.
In a major relief in Bengaluru, 5 COVID-positive contacts of India's second Omicron patient do not have the highly infectious variant. However, the doctor himself has tested for COVID once again. The doctor, a resident of Bengaluru who tested positive for Omicron variant, was due to be discharged on Monday, but he tested positive again. What is worrying is that for about 5 days between November 27th and December 2nd, though the doctor continued to remain positive, he was discharged and was advised home isolation. However, he was readmitted on December 2nd after the genome sequencing results showed positive for Omicron variant. Soon after the doctor had tested positive for Omicron variant, a total of 13 primary and 205 secondary contacts who had come in contact were subjected to test. While 5 of the contacts tested positive for COVID, the test results of the rest were found to be negative for COVID-19 and were advised home isolation.
After I had all these symptoms, isolated myself in the room. I didn't come in contact with any of our family members. So next day morning around 8 o'clock, I went to the hospital, get tested, both RAT and RT-PCR, both were positive.
One would expect as a doctor he would have been very cautious and he would have quarantined himself even after discharge. The reason I am saying that is, I think the whole world over we are all very clearly aware about its increased transmissibility, and more so considering that a genomic sequencing has been sent, which means doctor himself would be possibly aware that Omicron is high on the suspicion, and he would have possibly exercised due diligence in quarantining himself after discharge from the hospital and making sure that he is not come in contact.
So was there a botch up in the containment of the Omicron variant?
Those were early days. I would put it this way, that if one is a contact of a Omicron, then yes, we should always keep them in institutional isolation till it is confirmed that it is not that variant and something else. Everywhere we cannot automatically say go and institutionally isolate because we really don't know the strain. All we've been requesting is that the genome sequencing labs give these results a bit early, maybe in 2-3 days. Till that time at least we can monitor the home isolation and ensure these patients don't come out.
South Africa, being a high-risk country, was not declared, but in spite of that he was kept in surveillance. 5 of the contacts have traced positive. So far there is no indication that it is Omicron.
While the health department has dismissed the botch up by the government as early days of Omicron variant, what we could heave a huge sigh of relief is that the results of the genome sequencing of those 5 COVID tested positive patients who had come in contact with the doctor have not shown any indication for the new variant. In Bengaluru, with camera person Kumar, this is Shrija for NDTV.